Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SOP video update. Today's Thursday. We're looking at Bitcoin actually trying to make some sideways movement and whatnot. Okay, but be careful about Bitcoin because weekend is about to happen. So Wednesdays, Thursdays can be pretty good for the market right now. But entering the weekends can be really really dangerous right now. So you do have today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. So these 2 days could actually be quite maybe boring sideways, maybe some pumps here and there. Cannot really tell you, but the thing is that what I do see on the charts right now is a nice good morning star that you're putting in, and I would like to say that put a trailing stop loss, and wherever this pump actually takes you up, we're going to see. But I do see one thing, and that is probably a retest of this trend line. Okay, so what I can say right there is if I bring this resistance line right over there. Yeah, because what you see right now is that you have this touch right over there, you got second touch right over here, and you do have another resistance line right over there. So it does make sense if you are looking to play out this morning star, which is actually a bullish candlestick, then it could push all the way up here to 443, which is not pretty huge or anything. It's just a small push up. I don't think it's something that I would even like to trade, like a 3.35%. But if you're scalping, best of luck. Maybe it's a good opportunity, but keep in mind you want to put a big stop loss at 419. Okay, so this could actually play out today and maybe tomorrow, and then get rejected here, and then from weekend start to roll over to the downside and lose, and everything maybe goes crazy once again. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on SOP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.